Hello friends, and today we're going to make we're not going to make tricky shape, but we're going to work with this shape and make this thing in Blender with the rig. Let's try it. So first thing first, we are going to Blender, then we're going to do the scale of 0.01 and just open the addon and connect it. Yep, refresh. Here we go. Get to in the object mode, select the material, and let's give it the material, and in object mode here I will make it opaque. Yep, like this. So we could see this ghost shape and disable the ability to move it. Let's use this pipe for that. Okay. I need the circle here. I will do the Shift D, P selection. Okay. And I need the circle here. Shift D, P selection. Good. Okay, I will hide it for now. And let's do it like this. I will select everything, press M, and go to at center. Good. And the same for this thing. M at center. Not going to show me the mesh underneath, but yeah, I can do it like that. Just let's move it somewhere here, because I want it to be more close to this part. Move it a little bit upper, then drop it here. Okay, let's just make it like this. Select it, Alt X, and copy it to the other side. Just mirror it with the modifier or something. I use the hard ops, so yeah. And right here in the modifier stack, over here on the right side, I will untick clipping and merge. So I will actually have two parts. Then I will apply it, go into edit mode, P by loose parts. So I'll have two of them. Yep. In the vertex mode, let's just go and move it upper, and let me merge them together. I can do Alt A, top, Alt A, Alt A, top. Yep, that's good. So I'm basically using the Meshing Tree Tools add-on that have the ability to align things. But you also can align with something like this. For example, if I just take the vertex, yep, I can do the G, X, and position it here, and then GZ and position it here. The same result, basically, yeah. So you can use it. Delete this thing and merge these guys together. It's Ctrl J. Okay, let me save this. Let's merge them together. Give me a second. I just need to see how it goes. Goes like this. A little bit lower. And let's M at center. Good. Yeah, I think this should work good. A little bit in the center, SY, and let's just move it somewhere over here. Yeah, I think it's okay. And let's move these guys a little bit over here. just a little bit over the top. Good. Now we're going to do Ctrl-Shift-B, just bevel it, and let's do it on the boss sides. Ctrl-Shift-B, bevel it, do it like that. Okay, make this and this. Ctrl-B, let's Ctrl-B this thing too. And let's Ctrl-B this. Do a little more of the divisions. Okay. Let's save it. Let's hide this one. And let's convert it to curve. And now we can do the depth of 1.6 millimeters. Do a shade smooth. Good. Let's just convert it to mesh. Alt click F. Alt click F. Okay. And can I do a subdivision? Yes, I can. And I want to do a Q sharpen. Let me mark. Yes. And now it should work. Good. So I basically crease it and sharpen it at the same time. Amazing tools, hard ops. Use it. And now, yeah, I can do the magic of rigging. Shift A, single bone. Let's do it active. Yes. In front. Wire. Good. And I will name it root. Is the root bone. And I also want to see the names. Good. So I will see them. Nice. And here I'm going to take two bones. One over here. It's going to be clip low. Ctrl P, keep offset. And Shift D, up. Good. Do a P selection. M at center. Here it is. My little vertex. And now I can snap it to the vertex. Okay, good. Select this thing, Shift D, P, selection, A, M at center. Okay, take this guy. Let me just hide it for a while. And let me just put it here. Good, perfect, nice. Assign this thing first. So how are we gonna do it? We're going to take this thing, click on the skeleton, Ctrl P with empty groups. Okay, now I can, let me just isolate it. Select this thing and go to the face mode. I will select all this and do Ctrl plus till the center. Let's just assign it to a clip up. Assign it. Good. And Ctrl I is going to be a low bone. So I will just assign it to a low bone. Assign. Good. Now we have it together. Yep. This bone is here. This bone is here. And here is the magic. So if we just select individual origins and start to rotate it, here we see the nice work of this thing. Okay, so we need to select this, weight paint, and yep, let's just smooth it a bit with the shift. Yeah, that's what I need. Okay, let's just do a little bit more of this smoothing, so it will be much more organic. Okay, let's try it again. Select the bones and let's move them. Yeah, that's good. It's working. Okay. Alt R. Let's select one, select second, do Ctrl Shift C and do a copy rotation here. Good. So now I can rotate one bone and the other will copy. Good. And I also need this thing. I think it should be after. Yeah, it should be after, so you can see it's smooth. And if I put it here, you can see how it wanks the mesh. So yeah, here it's not visible a lot, but the better to use it after. So here we go. Let's select this two and do Alt R. And let me just do a refacet very quickly here. So here is screenshots, and I recommend you to also do the screenshots because they help you a lot if you forgot something. So basically in this add-on, what we need to do is to use the mesh density and put it on these numbers approximately, and the bevel edges. It's basically the thing that makes the edges smoother. This is like the basic numbers that you can use. If you get edges not so smooth, make them bigger. Okay, let's try to do that and see how it will look. I will use the Windows Power Toys. Control Windows T. Yes, Control Windows T. Cool. And here is this thing always on top. Okay, let's open the add-on. Here, it's here. Let's open the advanced settings. Let's, if you got trees, check the angles. It's crucial. Now, let's drop the 0.001 here. Here we are going to drop 0.1. It's like minimum and maximum size of the polygon that's going to be here. So like the small parts are gonna use small polygons, the bigger parts can use the big polygons. So sometimes you may even end up with 1 millimeter or something if you don't need big ones here. Depends on your mesh. And let's check the edges. Angle tolerance 0.4, 0.1. Yep. Just to make it super smooth. And here is the same thing. Yeah, and let's just do the refacet and see how it will look. Yeah, it lagged. It's a perfect sign. Means that it's working. Yep, it done something. Let's see. Oh my god. It's too dancey. But it's beautiful. Yeah, it's working. Let's try another numbers. Wireframe. Yeah, to see it in live. Let's try minimum width 0.01. Yeah, let's leave it like that. And maximum, let's drop it on 0.8. Let's do refacet again. Yeah, now you can see what I'm talking about. We can close this thing because we don't need it. Save it. Bring this back. Turn off the wireframe. And let's assign this one to root bone. Or we can create another bone and assign it to it. But I want to assign it to root because it's the main one. Okay. Let's just Control P with empty groups. Select it and assign to the root bone. Good. Let me just go to the edit pose mode. Let's check it. Yeah, this thing is working perfectly. And we can definitely use it. One moment here. I think we definitely don't need this functionality. So we can limit rotation only to this axis. And if I remember correctly, we can do that here, like this. Yeah, and it's going to work. Okay, yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a great day, model cool things, and stay happy. And I see you in the next one. Bye.